How to send money from Cash App to prepaid card. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Cash App to a prepaid card. So first, open Cash App on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon on the top right, then scroll down and select Link Banks to see available options. Select Add Card and enter your prepaid card details, like your card number, expiry date, and CVV. If your card is accepted, you can transfer money. If it's rejected, a Cash App does not support your prepaid card. If your prepaid card is supported, go to your balance page and tap Cash Out. Choose an instant or standard transfer, then enter the amount and confirm. Important notes: some prepaid cards work, but many do not due to the Cash App restrictions. If your prepaid card fails, there's no workaround. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.